How to transfer Google Photos to OneDrive. Switching from Google Photos to OneDrive, here's how to easily transfer your photo collection to Microsoft's cloud platform. First of all, visit Google Takeout at takeout.google.com. Deselect everything, then select only Google Photos. Choose your preferred format and then click Next Step to export your photos. You'll receive a zip file download. Once the download is ready, extract the zip file using a file explorer. This will unpack all your photos into folders. This process might take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. So open your OneDrive folder in File Explorer and simply drag the extracted photos here. They'll sync to your cloud account instantly. And that's it. Your Google Photos are now backed up in OneDrive. A seamless cloud-to-cloud transfer. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos just like this, and thank you guys for watching.